friends, and loved ones of Easy Maths. You're welcome to this live preparatory JAMB class. You know JAMB, as we're all aware, JAMB is coming up on Friday. Those of us that live in Nigeria, we have this exam known as the Joint Admission Matriculations Board Examinations going on for students that are going to enter into Nigerian universities. So this exam is a very, I can't really describe. So that exam is coming up on Friday. It's starting on Friday and it's ending upper week Monday. So I said, let's do some past questions in mathematics. Past question for last year's examination. We're going to solve some few questions, and along the line, if you have a question, make sure you type in the comment section. And please don't forget to share out this link. Share out this link to people who may benefit from this problem. Okay? So let's start. Okay. Let's start our class. So the first question is, remember, is 2021 JAMB Maths question. The first question is, if 5, 8, 6, and 2, these are numbers occurring with these frequencies 3, 2, 4, and 1 respectively, find the product of their mode and their median. All right? So they're saying, first of all, make sure you have your paper and your pen. Okay? So now write down these numbers 5, 8, 6, and 2. They are occurring with these frequencies. All right? 5 occurs 3 times, 8 occurs 2 times, 6 occurs 4 times, and 2 occurs once. All right? And we're expected to find the mode and the median and multiply it. All right? So what is the mode of this problem? First of all, we're going to write down the numbers. We'll write them in ascending order. We're writing them in ascending order. First of all, the mode is when you have a group of numbers, the number that occurs more frequently is known as the mode. The mode, like trending, right? Something that's trending, something that is recurring, something that occurs frequently is known as the mode in a group of numbers, all right? And then we have the median. Median is when you arrange a group of numbers in ascending order, the middle number is known as the median. So let's quickly write the numbers down. We'll write from ascending order, right? That is 2. 2 occurs once, right? So write 2. Then the next number is 5. 5 occurs 3 times. So we'll write 5 3 times. All right? Then the next number occurring is 6. 6 occurs 4 times. So we have 6, 6, 6. And then we have 8 occurring 2 times. We have 8 and 8. Okay? So what is the mode? What is the mode of this number? Which number occurs more frequently? I guess it's the same as mine. 6, okay? So what is the median? That's the number that is at the center of these numbers, okay? So what do? We cancel out, right? From the beginning and the end. So let's do that together. Cancel this out. 1. We cancel this out. 2. Cancel this out. 3. We cancel this out. 4. Okay? 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Let's take a quick look at it. 6 occurs 4 times. 6 occurs 4 times. Okay? So we're left with what? 2 numbers. 6 at the middle. So the average, we'll find the average of the 2 numbers. The median has to be 1 number. Okay? But when you find out that the center number is 2, then you find the average. So we know that the average of 2, 6 is what? Also 6. Alright? So now we're finding the product. The product of the mode times the product of the median, and that is 6 times 6, giving us 36. Yeah, so that's 2 marks. You got 2 marks already in your JAMB exam. All right? So take that down, take that down, take that down. So, are we ready? If you're ready, can you type it in the comment section? Say, I'm ready. Wow, thank you. I see Ruth Ohams. Hello, Ruth. Hello, Uchena AB. Thank you for showing up to this class. Please share out, share out, share out, share out. Okay, so now let's move on. The second question for our 2021 JAMB Math is, in a basket there are 6 grapes, right? 11 bananas and 13 oranges. In a basket there are 6 grapes, 11 bananas and 13 oranges. If one fruit is chosen at random, what is the probability that either a grape or a banana is picked? What is the probability that either a grape or a banana is picked? First of all, how do we solve this? We get to find out what is the total number of fruits we have in a basket. So the total will be total number of fruits. We have 6 grapes, okay, and we have 11 bananas, and then we have 13 oranges. That will give us 30, the number 30. And then we will find the probability, because the fruit in question is the grape and the banana. So we're going to find the probability of picking a grape, and we're going to find the probability of picking a banana. All right? A grape or a banana. So grape, probability of a grape. We will say probability subscript what? G. So the probability of picking a grape is the total number of grapes. Okay? That is 6 all over the total number of fruits. And that is 30. While we will say the probability of the banana, right? The total number of bananas we have in this question is 11. All over the total number of fruits we have as what? 30. And so now when you come to a point in your probability problems that you have to choose either or, means you have to add the probability of those items in question. Okay, so we're going to add this and add this. Okay, so we say probability of choosing either a grape or a banana is equal to adding up the probability. Okay, so probability of a grape plus probability of a banana. That will give us 6 over 30 plus 11 over 30. Okay, so that will give us, it has a common denominator 30. Then that means we'll add the numerator. So the probability of picking up either a grape or a banana is 17 over 30. That's another 2 marks. Wow, time out with Fami. Thank you for showing up. God bless you. Please, guys, help us share out this link. Share out this link, okay? We're trying to prepare our students that are writing our JAMB examination. We're trying to prepare our students are writing their JAMB examination on Friday, starting on Friday. So want to see whether they can catch some marks, okay? So now we get to the third question, which is question number 6 on our JAMB 2021 question, past question, okay? So let's read it together. Are you ready? If log 2 base 10 is given as a value of 0.3010 and log 7 base 10 is given as a value of 0.8451, evaluate what? What is the value of log 280 base 10? What is the value of log 280 base 10? So how do we do this, okay? Now, see what is given to us. We're given log 2 and we're given log 7. And then we have a number that has log 2 and 7 as its factors, okay? So we're going to break this down. You just find the LCM on this part so we can know how many factors will come out, okay? So we'll say 2 goes into 28 14 times, 2 goes into 14 7 times is 0, 70. 7 goes into 70 10 times, and 10 goes into 10 once. So we've broken this down, okay? This has been broken down. This has been broken down. Broken down to write the log, the base of the log, and then we'll write down these numbers inside the bracket in place of 280. So we'll have 2 times 2 times 7 times 10. 2 times 2 times 7 times 10. Okay? So you know the law of logarithms, okay? When a logarithm is multiplied, you can break it down to a base 10 or whatever base it is with an addition sign. So let's do that. First of all, we'll break this down further. First, 2 raised to the power 2 times 7 times 10. And we'll say log 2 raised to the power 2 is 10 plus log 7 raised to the power 10, log 7 base 10 plus log 10 base 10. Log 10 base 10. Log 10 base 10. Log 10 base 10. Now, what do you know about log 10 base 10? Log 10 base 10 is equal to 1. The log of a number to the base of that same number gives us okay. Sorry for that breaking transmission. So this is what we have, okay? We have log 2 raised to the power 2 base 10. So we know the laws of logarithm. If you have a power that is the same as the base, we'll bring it down, right? So we'll have 2 log 2 base 10 plus log 7 base 10 plus 1. We know that this is 1, right? So we'll just put 1 there. So now we'll substitute this value 0.0310 into log 2. And we'll substitute 0.8451 into log 7. So we'll have 2 0.3010 plus 0.8451 plus 1. Okay? So we use our calculator. So if you use a calculator and multiply this, right, we'll have, first of all, I'll say 1 plus 0.8451 plus 2 brackets 0.3010 brackets. So what did you get? What did you get? I got 2.4471. So log 280 to the base of 10 is 2 what? 0.4471. 2.741. Okay. Thank you for staying up to this time. Thank you for staying up to this time. Thank you for watching. Please share out the link. Please share out this link. Share out this link. There may be somebody who will move forward in his JAMB examination because of this live stream. Because of this live stream. So please share out, share out, share out. Share the link, share the link, share the link out. People, please share. Please share. So, are we good? So our number 7, we'll simplify. We'll simplify a rational sum. A rational sum, which is 5 plus root 7 all over 3 plus root 7. 5 plus root 7 all over 3 plus root 7. So how do we simplify this strange, complex looking problem? Okay, there's a way out. Okay, now the simple way out of this problem is to rationalize the denominator. That's something we do in sort theorem. We rationalize the denominator. What do we mean by rationalizing the denominator? It means multiplying the numerator and the denominator by its conjugate. What is a conjugate sword? A conjugate sword is a sword which is the negative of its original sword. Now this sword, 3 plus root 7, has a conjugate which is 3 minus root 7. The conjugate of 3 plus root 7 is 3 minus root 7. The conjugate of 5 plus root 7 is 5 minus root 7. So rationalizing the denominator means multiplying both the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of the denominator. That is rationalizing the sum. So we say rationalize the denominator. Rationalize the denominator. Thank you for coming. Please make sure you share the link. Make sure you subscribe if you've not subscribed. Make sure you share. All right? Thank you. So we'll do it like this. 5 plus root 7 all over 3 plus root 7 times 3 minus root 7 all over 3 minus root 7. So we're going to expand this, right? Let's assume this is a bracket. We're going to expand this, right? That means we say 5 times this plus root 7 times this. We'll say 3 times this plus root 7 times this. So 5 times this. 5 times 3 will give us what? 15. Alright? 5 times minus root 7 will give us minus 5 root 7. Root 7 times 3 will give us plus 3 root 7. Okay? A sword is, you can't mix a sword, okay? Unless you're multiplying it with another sword, another root. Root 7 plus root 7 times minus root 7 will give us minus 7. When you multiply two roots of the same number, it gives you that number. Okay? So now let's go ahead and multiply the denominator. 3 times 3 will give us what? 9. 3 times minus root 7 will give us minus 3 root 7. Plus root 7 times 3 will give us plus 3 root 7. Plus root 7 minus times minus root 7 will give us minus 7. Are we good? Okay, we have some people here. You're welcome to Easy Maths Tutor. You're welcome to Easy Maths Tutor. Keep watching. Hello, Ugosiba TV. Hello, Faitili Empire. You're welcome to this live session. Thank you for joining me. Please kindly share this link. Share the link. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to this link. Okay, so now let's simplify this problem. Now, looking at this denominator, I'm seeing something that can cancel out, right? There are two terms that are the same. We have 3 root 7. We have minus 3 root 7 and plus 3 root 7. Now, this function will be 0. It will become what? 0. So we're left with 9 minus 7, which will give us what? Let's write a small 2 here. Right? That means the denominator will be 2. Now, the numerator, if we collect like terms, right? We have 15 and 7 minus 7. 15 minus 7 is a like term, right? So 15 minus 7 will give us what? 8. And then we have minus 5 root 7 plus 3 root 7, which is also a like term. Minus 5 root 7 plus 3 root 7, which is also a like term. So if we subtract 5, let's assume we remove the root 7. We have minus 5 plus 3. We have minus 5 plus 3. We write root 7, right? So minus 5 plus 3 will be minus 2. I have a video where I explain how to subtract negative numbers. So if you want to subtract negative, learn how to subtract negative numbers, go to my channel and search for that video. That was the last 2 videos I produced. So it will be easy for you to subtract negative numbers. Okay, so now let's go right ahead. So we have this as what we've achieved, which is 8 minus 2 root 7 all over 2. So if we divide both the numerator and the denominator by 2, we divide 8 by 2, we divide this by 2, we divide this by 2. 8 divided by 2 will give us what? 4. 2 divided by 2 will give us 4. So we'll have minus root 7. 2 divided by 2 will give us 1. So there is no denominator in that problem. Therefore, this is the answer to this problem. Take it down, take it down. Okay. So let's move on to the 8th question. And I think we're going to stop at the 8th question for today, for now. In the evening, there's going to also be a live session. In the evening, there's also going to be a live session. So now the question is, if P equal to the square root of r s cubed all over t, express r in terms of p, s, and t. Now this is a typical question of changing the subject of the formula, okay? This is a typical question of changing of subject of a formula or of an expression. Now we have this expression and they want us to make arrow the subject of the expression, okay, or the subject of the formula, or they mean the arrow should be isolated on one side and the other term should be isolated on the other side without distorting the value of the equation. So we'll write this down quickly. So say P equal to the square root of arrow s cubed over t. Now r is locked up in this square root. So what do we do to open up a square root? That means we're going to square both sides of the equation. We're going to square both sides of the equation. Squaring both sides of the equation, right, will give us what? P squared equal to, this square will cancel out the square root, giving us the original problem, which is r s cubed over t. R s cubed over t. All right? R s cubed over t. So we'll have to move this t to this side. So t being in the division section, when it moves over the equation, it becomes in the multiplication section of the numerator. Okay? Same with s. S is in the numerator, but if it moves over, it jumps over to the denominator, giving us what? P squared all over s cubed times t equal to r. So that means that r is equal to p squared t over s cubed. So this is a solution and the answer to this problem. So we're going to go on a break for now. Later in the evening, we're going to continue our JAMB prep class, and we'll do this until the end of our JAMB examination. Thank you for tuning in to Easy Math Tutor. I'm so glad that you're part of this initiative.